it's Rose and welcome back to Cheap Lazy Vegan and another video. Today's video, I want to share with you guys what I did on my trip to Thailand with my viewers last year. Hello guys. So I just got to Bangkok last night. I am here with a company called TrovaTrip because we created a vegan food tour and I'm actually here with my viewers. This might be the coolest thing I've ever done. And I want to talk to you guys about how I hosted these planned trips with my followers with TrovaTrip, who are very kindly sponsoring today's video. TrovaTrip is a group travel planning and booking platform for creators and influencers like myself to be able to go on trips with their audience, which is possibly the coolest thing ever. And of course, one of those trips was to Thailand, which is going to be featured in this video. So I'm going to kind of show you guys what we got up to in Thailand, which was so much fun. This was last year, but I'm actually going to Thailand again this year, and I'm also going to Bali this year with TrovaTrip as well. And I'm also going to Costa Rica in the beginning of 2024. So all those trips that are available will be linked down below as well if you guys are interested in coming along with me. Obviously, I'm enjoying my time traveling with TrovaTrip because I'm already doing like 3 more. Okay, so it's like a big deal. So I already posted 2 vlogs of my Thailand trip, so I'm gonna link those below if you guys are interested in checking out those vlogs and seeing what we got up to. So one of the things I loved about hosting the trips with TrovaTrip was that it was so easy for me to plan. I didn't really have to do much, and that's, you know, my preferred method of working. So with TrovaTrip, what they do is initially you do this survey and you give this survey to your audience and say, hey, if you're interested in going on a trip with me, why don't you fill out the survey? And that gives the creator like an idea of, you know, where people might want to go, the budget, and so on and so forth. And then I just simply talked to my contact at TrovaTrip and we, you know, worked out some details, and then you just launch the trip. Hello!
Ooh. Spray, every kind of spray.
Yay, we're picking ingredients for papaya salad. And basically all I had to do was tell my audience about the trips I was going on and sell the trip so that people could come and travel with me, which is so cool. Yes, I'm so happy.
Okay. I'm gonna apologize. Yeah.
Get your spoon and yay! We love some deep fried spring rolls.
It's perfectly spicy.
Why?
All this food?
Sorry to make me put down the
Yes. So much food. Everyone's just very much enjoying themselves. Yes. So what does a Trova trip look like? Well, it's gonna be slightly different depending on your niche. Obviously, I'm vegan and I'm also a food creator, so I'm a big foodie and I assume that my audience, you know, loves food as well. So my big things are food and veganism. So we gotta make sure it's a vegan trip and that the food is going to be delicious.
fried tofu. Fried tofu, yay!
Sauce is good.
That's good.
Show the way how we eat. Gonna make it round.
Sorry, I'm interfering.
Now, when you're on the trip, you get a local guide that speaks the local language, which is so helpful, especially for someone like me because I'm vegan, obviously, and we're doing a vegan trip, so we kind of need the help of someone local to help us translate if we don't speak the language. So for Thailand, we had an awesome guide named JJ who everyone adored, and she basically held our hand through the whole trip.
This is the Thai rum. Oh yeah. So for Thai people always call this one any kind of alcoholic drink they call whiskey. But it's not. This is rum. Sang Som. Many of tourists when they go to the bar they're gonna ask for Sang Som Coca-Cola. It's also part of the bucket. The bucket is this.
Why looking at me?
So, cheers!
So that really helps because they're also teaching us about the local culture and, you know, the country and everything.
It's from the Chinese Unanese. People love spicy. You can add more chili. It is beautiful.
Very good, so good. Yeah.
Thank you. Ooh, it's like a crepe, but not a crepe. We fit in so much activity. I actually can't believe it was just a week. I was like going through all my footage and I'm like, oh my God, I can't believe we did so much in just a week. And of course, the beauty of it all is that I did not feel like I was working at all, even though technically I was working. But it did not feel like work to me because I was just traveling with everyone else. I felt like just a fellow traveler. Of course, you know, I'm there, I brought everyone there, so, you know, I'm talking to people and I'm engaging, but that just comes naturally to me. So, you know, for me, it just felt like I was just chatting with people, I was just traveling, and we were just making friends. Get a rickshaw. Are you excited?
Yes, I'm so excited.
Yay! We also did cooking classes. One of them, we learned how to make vegan papaya salad in this like organic, beautiful Thai farm. Oh my gosh.
She said only one is enough. One chili, one cloves of garlic.
Don't be shy, guys. Just go for it.
Hard.
Okay.
We have a lot of comments.
We made papaya salad. Not me, everyone else. For once, I did not do the cooking. Can do it.
Okay, we ready?
Yeah.
My uncle always says this is
Getting good.
Hi, Secret.
spicy. I'm not as spicy.
Oh, you are the spice. Oh, you're gonna be now.
I want spicy.
And we were also invited to visit this local Thai household, which was absolutely gorgeous. And they gave us so much food. And we also did a cooking class where we learned how to make like a Thai curry and of course, vegan pad Thai.
You love spicy?
Yeah.
Okay. But not spicy like us, huh?
A little bit of each. A little bit of this. I'm scared.
I chop those bad boys. Pad Thai station. This Pad Thai station.
I made this. It's very hot. So the accommodation and the transportation within the trip is basically planned and also covered. And we actually took an overnight train from Bangkok to Chiang Mai, which was a very cool experience.
Say hi.
So we just got to Chiang Mai and here is my room. This is an all vegan hotel, which is so exciting. I've never stayed at an all vegan hotel. Isn't it like incredible? You guys, thank you. This curry, are you kidding? It smells really Are you kidding me?
And honestly guys, the best part of these trips is that you get to meet the people that support you and follow you, and you get to meet these people from around the world and you get to travel with them. How cool is that? It's one of the coolest things I've done, I think, as a creator, going on these amazing trips and building these amazing memories with my audience. Like how, like that's so cool to me.
What did you say? We want.
How is it?
WOW moment.
It's very fresh.
We got a bucket. And guys, many of the same people that came on my trips last year are coming again this year. Some of them are coming for all 3 of my upcoming trips. They're coming back, okay? That to me is an indicator of how awesome these trips are. They're so fun. They're fun for me as well as fun for the people that are coming, hopefully. And I think the fact that so many more people have signed up for another trip with me shows that, you know, obviously they had a great time.
What are you eating? Guava. Yeah, guava. So good. Try it. Have a bite. Ooh, ooh. Thank you. Ooh. Ooh. I'm like one time here. Yeah.
Is it good?
That's good, yeah.
Good.
So if you're interested in hosting a trip with TrovaTrip and going on an adventure with your audience, make sure you check out the link down below, and that's gonna give you some details on how you can do just that. And of course, if you guys are interested in coming along with me to Thailand, Bali, or Costa Rica on one of the Trova trips, or all of them if you wanna come to all of them, okay. The links to those trips will be down below as well, so make sure you sign up if you are interested in coming along. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you to TrovaTrip for sponsoring today's video. By the way, everything I said were my own thoughts and opinions, okay? Obviously, I have a great time hosting trips with TrovaTrip. Otherwise, I would be going on a million trips with them, okay? Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!